Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been staring at volume bars at the bottom of his chart for months. They tell him when trading happened. Lots of volume today, less volume yesterday, but they never tell him where. At which price levels did the most trading actually occur? That is a completely different question, and the answer changes everything about how you read support and resistance. Today, Rahul discovers volume profile. Rahul learns volume profile. Regular volume bars are vertical. They sit at the bottom of your chart and show how much volume traded in each time period. 1 bar per candle. Volume profile is completely different. It is horizontal. It shows how much volume was traded at each price level. Think of it as a histogram on the side of your chart. Each bar extends from left to right, showing the volume at that specific price. More volume at a price means a longer bar. Less volume means a shorter bar. It answers the question, where did the market spend the most time trading? The most important level on the volume profile is the point of control, POC. This is the price with the highest volume. The longest horizontal bar. The POC is the fair price. It is the price where the most agreement happened between buyers and sellers. The market always gravitates back to the POC. If price moves away from it, there's a magnetic pull bringing it back. Think of the POC as the center of gravity. Price can move above or below, but it keeps coming back to the fair price. The value area is the range where 70% of all trading volume occurred. It has an upper edge and a lower edge. Above the value area, the market is considered overvalued, expensive. Below the value area, the market is considered undervalued, cheap. When price is inside the value area, it is at fair value. The value area acts like a magnet zone. Price spends 70% of its time here. Breakouts above or below the value area are significant because they represent a shift from fair value. Volume profile has 2 types of areas, high volume nodes and low volume nodes. A high volume node is a price level where tons of trading happened. Lots of agreement, lots of buyers and sellers exchanging at that price. High volume nodes act as strong support and resistance. Price tends to slow down and consolidate at these levels. A low volume node is a price level where very little trading happened. No agreement. Price moved through this level quickly. Low volume nodes are like gaps. Price shoots through them fast. When price approaches a low volume node, expect a rapid move to the next high volume node. Nifty volume profile shows the point of control at 23,200. The value area runs from 23,050 to 23,350. Currently, Nifty is trading at 23,000, below the value area. This means the market is undervalued relative to where most trading happened. There is a magnetic pull back up to the POC at 23,200. This is not a random guess. This is where the market proved it wants to trade. The core strategy is mean reversion to fair price. When price drops to the lower edge of the value area, you buy. Your target is the POC, the fair price. When price rises to the upper edge of the value area, you sell. Your target is again the POC. You're always trading back toward the center of gravity. Buy cheap, target fair. Sell expensive, target fair. The volume profile tells you exactly where cheap, expensive, and fair are. No guessing, no indicators, just where the volume actually traded. Rahul buys Nifty at 23,060. Near the lower edge of the value area. His target is the POC at 23,200. His stop is below 23,000. Risk 60 points. Reward 140 points. Risk to reward better than 1 to 2. Nifty grinds higher over 2 days. Hits 23,200. Target reached. 140 points of pure mean reversion profit. The volume profile showed him exactly where to buy and where to exit. Rahul's volume profile rules. 1. The point of control is the fair price and the market center of gravity. 2. The value area is where 70% of trading happens. Above is expensive, below is cheap. 3. High volume nodes are support and resistance. Low volume nodes are fast move zones. 4. Buy at the lower value area edge targeting POC. 5. Sell at the upper value area edge targeting POC. 6. Always check if price is inside or outside the value area before entering any trade. Regular volume tells you when. Volume profile tells you where. Once you see it, Support and resistance will never look the same. If you understand it, it is simple. I'm Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.